this is basically the most important part to keep the business running. We need to have clients in our pipelines. Okay, so we can have new clients or we can have existing clients who give us new work, right? So what is it basically businesses work on clients. It takes time to get new clients, so we need to tell ahead of time that we are going short of work, so we need more work. So in that case, so we cannot say that only the project managers are responsible for pipeline management. It's basically we are engaged with the business development team to get the pipeline arranged for future. Okay, so uh, a good team will always keep looking for new prospects so that there's continuous flow of work, right? So it is important that we keep on looking for prospect, because we already know that if there are 1,000 leads, only 100 get into proposal, right? So it's important our business team keeps on looking for work. So from the PM side, it is important for us to tell the business team that we are going short of work in maybe next couple of months, or maybe we need to look for work after certain date. So that is the responsibility of the PM over here. So PM is the owner of the team, so we are responsible for our team, and we need to find work for the members who are under our team, right? So this is basically what we do in pipeline management. So basically after resource management, we see like which resource has how much task with him, how which project they are working on, and when it is going to get when it's getting completed. So basically we have the idea to tell them like when we will won't have work for certain members. So that idea we need to pass uh, ahead of time to the business team. So I think, Saidul, can you
Yes,
put?
yes. Let me go to the next one. But before that, we should not just focus on today only. We need to focus on future. So that's what is this pipeline management all about. uh, we are delivering project, we are working on project, but we have to remember that we need to be have an open mind to get future clients, and to do that we will continuously keep doing estimate, sending proposal, right? So we have to accommodate within our work some of that, so we have enough work in the pipeline for our entire team to remain occupied.
Yeah. So
Yes.
how we do it in Asia? We have got a tool which is HubSpot, and which allows us to create deals, and then the deals basically flow this the pipeline. Okay, so it is basically first when you create a deal, it falls under lead. Once the customer engage with us, like there is certain communication, we put it under prospect. Then if they share the requirements, we create an estimate, then it will go under proposal. And if basically if the client approves it, it will be put under one, or we can if the client chooses certain other company, will push it to closed. So this is basically the flow of a deal, and how we handle it.
Yeah, so just to give you guys one idea, why do we need to do this? Why do we need to put everything on CRM, right? Because suppose in 2022 you want to achieve 2 million in revenue, right? If you have this data logged from the past, you can analyze that to achieve 1 million revenue, we needed total 2,500 leads, right? And maybe 500 prospect and 100 conversion, right? Or close win. That means now the company need is 2 million. That means we have to double the effort, right? That's how you can measure, you can have the steps set to achieve the target. That's how sales team work. So just to give you an idea, that's why we need CRM. So thank you, Akil. It was a good one.
So these project retrospectives come at the end of this project once we are done with this project, but it is the important phase of this agile methodology. So project retrospective means once we are done with this project, then we discuss with all our team members how this project work went, like if we make any mistake during this project, and if we can take any learning experience from this project that we can implement on the next upcoming futures. So basically this project retrospective held on at the end of this project when the project is done, and all of the members from the same projects join the meeting and share their feedback with respect to this project, what went well, what things we can done better, and in future if we can make the same uh, experience with others project as well.
Yeah.
So can you go to the next slide? Yes, so basically during this meeting, we actually discussed about the project budget that we have uh, initially discussed. You can click on the example one so that they can review what actually we discussed during the meeting. Okay, so this was one retro that we have done recently. So in you can see what was the actual expense for this project, and till then how much we have uh, experienced for this project. And we have taken comment from every members from this project, what went well for this project, and they have shared their feedback with respect to this project. Also we get the update from them at what could have gone better or needs improvement. Is there any specific point that we can improve ourselves, and what do you want to try, like if anything we missed during this project, and we can implement the same thing on our upcoming project so that we can minimize our risks and cost. So yeah, so every members who is related to the projects, everyone shared their feedback on this retrospective meeting and make this meeting fruitful. So uh, 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 so if we go to the another future projects, so same issues didn't happen again.
Thank you. It's kind of learning from the past experience, right? So
Yeah.
thank you, Niam.